everyone, my name is Pacey and I am a Girl Scout of Central Maryland. Currently, I am working on my Silver Award. The Silver Award is a service project that cadet level Girl Scouts can complete. Each girl will spend 50 hours of work helping to improve or make a difference in their community. For my Silver Award, I am helping a homeless shelter in Anne Arundel County, Maryland called Sarah's House. I have gone in and volunteered, but I am also making something called a comfort bag. These comfort bags will be given out to every adult who enters the shelter to provide them with comfort during this difficult time. Today, I will be showing you how to make these bags so you can help as well. A canvas bag, a folder with prongs and a card slot, 10 sheets of lined paper, 4 coloring pages, preferably the adult coloring book ones, 2 inspirational quote cards, one the size of a business card and one that will fit in the pocket of the folder, a water bottle and a water flavor single serve pouch, a sample sized hand cream, a small pack of gum, some colored pencils, and a small notebook. Step 1. Take the 4 coloring pages and place them into the first pocket of the folder. Step 2. Take the 10 pieces of paper and place them into the prongs of the folder. If the folder you have chosen does not have any prongs, simply place them into the pocket of the folder. Step 3. Take the business-sized quote card and place them into the card slot in the folder. Step 4. Take the other inspirational quote card and place it into the pocket with all the other coloring pages. Step 5. On the back or the inside of the folder, write or print off a sticker that says, "This folder belongs to blank." The new owner can fill in the blank. Now that the folder is completely filled, you may place it into the empty canvas bag. Step 6. Take the water bottle and the water flavor pouch and place them into the bag. Step 7. Take the tiny notebook and place it into the bag with everything else. Step 8. Take the small hand cream and place it into the bag. Step 9. Take the 12 pack of colored pencils and place them into the bag. And last but not least, take the small pack of gum and place it in, and your bag is finally complete. I really hope this helped you guys come up with a good idea for something to donate to Sarah's House or another shelter near you. I hope you guys have a good day. Thanks for watching. Bye!